Hey everyone, welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to cover the date and time, that are the functions that are used to get the date and present time with the Python, and you can use them in your programs to calculate the time of execution of your program. So thanks for watching. This is all about the introduction, and see you in the next video. Hey everyone, so in this video we are going to learn about the date and a module known as the date time. So for that, open the Atom and now again make a new file and save this one as date.py. That is one we are going to use in this module. Now. So date and time is something we did not get them by just writing a code, because to get them by writing a code, then it will be a very large code. We are going to use here something known as modules, about which you will learn in later module. So to import any module, or let's just I give you a little demo that what a module is. A module is something like, here I have a program that is our previous code for loop.py. I believe this one is for nested loops, if you have go through it, this one. So this one is actually now a module for me. If I use this code in this Python code, I can import that code just by simply import loop.py. It's that simple. Now this one acts as a module. The more we will learn about this one in the next module, that is about the libraries and modules. But till now we just need the basic introduction. And how that works is actually it consists some particular block of code. You can assume this one as a function, but that function is in a separate Python file. I believe this one is a proper example that what it is. So this perform a specific block of code, and that is required only when we need that. So here we need a module that is known as date time, that is used to get the date and time in Python, and import is used to get any of the modules present in our Python. So this is about importing the date time function, or we can say the module. Now this one is used to get the date and times correctly. If you want to get the time at present, that is 12:59 going to be 1, and then you just use date time. This is a way, or we can say that syntax, to use these modules in any code. We just use the name, then dot, and then the particular function related to that. Like we are going to use a function that is known as date time at present, that is now, and just the parentheses, because of in every function we use these parentheses. If you remember, whenever we define any function, we do something like div or add and then pass the parameters if required. So in this we do not require any parameter, because we are getting the time at present. And then we will just print this time and save this one. Now open up the terminal, and when we run this one, python 3 date.py, you will get the date at present, that is 21st of June on the time of making this video, and the time is 13 and 18 seconds, that is 1 PM. This one is on 24-hour clock, and 18 seconds. It also shows the accuracy of 0.1 second, that belongs to the crystal clocks in the computers. Also this one actually shows the time for that, like this one, or we can say that the time of the computer at present. If you change this time, you will get another time. So that's about the date and time, that how you can get the date at present, how you can import the date time module, and how you can use that. So thanks for watching, and more we will see about this one in the next videos. Hey everyone, So in this video we will go a little deeper with this concept, that is date time. Now here you have seen that we have printed the date and time at present, and if you notice the way they are printed, it's like first year, then the month, then the date, then we have the time first in hours, then minutes, then seconds, and then microseconds. If you run this program now, that is this one, you will get a different time, that is 13:09, that is 9 minutes after this one. I have a little break there. And now what if you only want to print this thing, that is year or date or time, sorry, month, then how you can do that? So that thing is something known as the date outputs. And if you want to print only the years, then you will do something like x dot year. When you save this one and run this one, you will only get the year. So that's how you can get anything here. Like if you write here month, command S, and run this one, that will be the month here. So this is the method that you can get these things here. Now second thing that I need to discuss here is, what about if you want to have your own time, like your program may work at any time, then how you can get the proper time at that program execution? Then in case you will begin your time from 0, from the starting of program, and add it at the end. So there comes a concept known as creating date objects, that is you can create your own time there. And how you can do that, that's what is something done here. Here if you remember, we have done this one because we need to print the time at present. If you don't need to print the time at present, you will just do parentheses here and create your own time. Like if I want to have the year 2060, that is 2060, then I have the month like 3rd, and the date maybe 18. And if you save that one and run that one, you will get a syntax error, invalid token 3. Oh, that may not be a 0 there. And also we did not want to print only the month, let me print the complete one here first. And if you run that one, you will get your time that you have created. Here we have 18 of month 3 and 2060. And also you did not have the time because you did not enter that one here, so it will begin from 000, that is 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds with microseconds. Now again, if you want to have only the year or month, then you can just month here, command S, and when you run this one, you will get 3. If you need the year, then just replace this one with year, and here we have the year. So that's how you can create your own time, and you can get printed anything you want to in your own time. You can also add this thing here, increase this by adding time and microseconds like this one here. So that's about the creating the time and accessing that. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Hey everyone, now just one more concept to go, and that is, let me first clear this one. That is, I believe you remember the string formatting, that how we can format the string. Now what if you want to format the date and time? That's here something came in play that is known as string formatting time, and the function used for that is known as str, that for string formatting, there f, and then time. There we have the parentheses. So this is the function used for the string formatting, str formatting, and then time. So how it work, like if you have this one, or you can have just time at present, that is dot now. So if I need to print the things here like years, and one more thing here, weekday, here we did not have added the weekday. because we have just these things like time, date. Then how we can get the weekday? Or there are other things like you just need to have something like Wednesday, stand for Wednesday, or you need the complete Wednesday, something like that. Then how you can make that possible? So that's what we do with this one. We just use here print x dot, here instead of writing the things one by one, we just write string format time, then the parentheses, and then there we have different methods of formatting. Here we have different methods of parameters that actually defines your formatting. Like if I write here percentile and capital B, and if I run this one, I will have June. That's denoting my month, that is June. And what if I need today's day? Like here I have capital A. Then save this one, and when I run this one, I have Friday, that is Friday today. You can also have the Google today's day, that is Friday 21 June 2019. So that's how you can have the string formatting. Now what if I just need fry, that I have told you before, that how can I get this one, like bed, not Wednesday. Then just use a small a. Now if you run this one, you will have fry. And how to remember these parameters? You cannot just remember all these. Go to Google and write date formatting methods in Python. Hit enter and get to any website. Like here I have this one first. I made a checkout there. Here you will find different things to do. Here this is how you can print many things at a time by using percentage and various words for them. Here you have all these things, complete list for characters. So percentage A returns the first 3 characters of the weekday, capital A returns the complete of weekday. Similar to that, we have all these, like W returns the weekday as a number from 0 to 6 with Sunday being 0. And then percentage P returns AM PM for time. Like if we try that one also, where we have our, so here we have our percentage P. If you save this one and run that, we have PM. If we do W, we have 5, that is denoting Friday, 0 for Sunday, then 1 2 3 4 5, and 6 for Saturday. That's how the string format, the time formatting works. And I hope you get an idea of this one. And this one is just required in few programs when you have to make this thing possible to view by the user. And that's done with the date and time. And if you want to check more, you can check here. There are many things. This is techabuse.com, and you can prefer any website. I just go through it because that one is on the top. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.